Hello friends, in this video I will tell you about Tkinter root.attributes method. You will know about how to use it. And also here is basic code of Tkinter. Root.attributes method takes two arguments. One is the option and the two is the value of given option. The options is specified according to your platform like Windows, Linux or Mac. Now we will get specified options for use root.attributes method. For know these specified options we will use wm_attributes method. This method will return specified options and values according to your platform. You can see options and values printed. Let's copy them. These options we will use. This is option. And this is value of this option. In this video we will use these options and we will change values of these options and you will see changes in Tkinter window by changing these values. Let's try these options. Let's try first option. First argument we will put option name in string. And second argument will be value of given option. This is default value of this option. Let's try with default value. Nothing happen anything. Let's decrease value. Now you can see the changes window is light bright and light transparent. The behind view of window is showing. Let's decrease more. Now window is more light bright and more transparent. Let's try second option. Transparent color option. This option take a color name in a value. This will be completely transparent the part of window which part is matching with given color value. Currently in the window no any part is red, that's nothing happen. Let's change window color into red because red color we have set for transparent. Now you can see window background is transparent because we have set window background color red and the red color we have set transparent. Let's see another example. Here we are creating a simple button and then we will change this button background color into red color. You can see a simple button created. Let's change color of this button. Now you can see button background is transparent. The button text is showing because we have change only button background color. Let's try third option. Disabled option. This option will disable window completely. The default value of this option is 0 means false. If you will set true means 1, then window will be disabled. You can see I cannot move window, even I cannot click button. And also I cannot close or maximize or minimize window. Window is completely disabled. Even I cannot close window with keyboard. I will terminate this program from PyCharm. You can terminate from Task Manager. If you will set value false, then window will be work normal. Let's try fourth option. Full screen option. This option will open your window in the full screen. The default value of this option is 0 means false. If you will set value true, window will be open in the full screen. You can see the window is opened in the full screen, and the title bar is not showing because this is full screen mode. For close this window, you can use keyboard by pressing Alt plus F4. The default value of this option is 0 means false. Let's try number 5 option. Tool window option. This option will change your window title bar. The default value of this option is 0 means false. If you will set value true, window title bar will be changed. You can see window title bar changed. There is only close button and the maximize and minimize button is not available. The default value of this option is 0 means false. Let's try the last option. Last option is topmost option. The default value of this option is 0 means false. Let's if I set value true. Nothing happen anything. The topmost option. This option will set your root window front focus. For example, if you will launch another window from root window, the front focus will be available only in main root window because root window topmost option is true. Let's see example. Here we are creating a function. In this function we will create a new window. New window we will open using this button. You can see new window is opened but focus is available only in main window. Let's try without topmost option. Without topmost option you can see main window is focused but main window is not in the front. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe our channel for more videos.